How to delete and start over on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll guide you on how to clear all your tax information and start fresh using TurboTax. So be sure to watch until the end for all the details. To begin, you need to open a web browser on your PC and then go to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. Sign in with your TurboTax account, and if you have already started your tax return, open it or continue where you left off. If you're using TurboTax Online, you need to go ahead and open your return if you haven't already, and then select Tax Tools from the left menu and then click on Clear and Start Over. And after your tax information has been cleared, you can click on Continue on the confirmation message that appears. Please note that you can only clear and restart your return on TurboTax Online if you have not deducted TurboTax fees from your refund, made a payment, or registered your product. If you have done any of these things, you will need to edit your tax return manually. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.